Here's how to create your OpenAI credential in n8n. Come over to credentials. We're going to want to create a brand new credential here. So we're just going to go into credential and we're going to look for OpenAI. There is a native credential already. So we're going to go into OpenAI, hit continue. Now we're going to need an API key, but I like to rename this so I know who this credential belongs to. We're just going to call this tutorial for the sake of this. And now we need an API key from OpenAI. So that's straightforward. What we want to do is head over to openai.com and then you're going to want to log in. If you haven't got an account, you may need to sign up first. But once we've logged in, we want to make sure we're hitting the API platform. Now, this is going to give us some of the docs that we're after, but we're looking into API reference. And this tells us how we can do it. If we were going through an HTTP node, we'd have to capture authorization. Then in the token, we would type the word bearer, leave a space, and put the OpenAI key. But seeing as we have a native node within n8n, we do not need to do that. So let's just click through here onto API keys. And here we'll be presented with a list of API keys that we have at the moment. Let's create a new secret key, and we're just going to call this one tutorial as well. And you can assign it to a project. I'll assign this to the n8n project, and we'll create a secret key here. Okay, we've got our secret key here. Now we can click onto copy. We can head back over to n8n. And in here, we can paste this key. Organizational ID is optional, and this is the base URL in almost every circumstance that you'd want to use. So you can leave these settings just like they are. Hit save. And if everything's working correctly, you'll get this green connection tested successfully. And this tut key that you just created, whatever you particularly named it, will be available to you now within the OpenAI node of n8n to be able to use and successfully be able to use the OpenAI large language models in order to be able to perform AI tasks. As easy as that.